Lesson 39, 2D Shapes. So we have already done a lesson on 2D shapes. We know that 2D shapes are shapes that we can see. They are flat shapes that we can see. They're not just a single straight line, they are shapes that we can see. So let's talk about the next few shapes. Shape number 1 is a triangle. But here we have many different triangles that are different colors and that are pointing in different directions. Some of them have longer sides than others, some of them have shorter sides than others. Some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller, some of them are pointing right, others are pointing left, some are pointing up and some are pointing down. Now, given all of these differences, taking into consideration all of these differences, thinking about all of these differences, does it change the fact that these shapes are triangles? Can you tell me, if we look at this green triangle here and this pink triangle here, they are different colors, their sides are not the same, their direction is not the same. Does that make the green one not a triangle? Or does that make the pink one not a triangle? They both are still triangles, no matter which way they look, what length their sides are, what direction they're pointing in, or what color they are. A triangle has 3 sides, and each of these triangles have 3 sides. Let's look at our second kind of shape. These would be squares. There are many squares on this screen. We have blue squares, red squares, yellow squares, green squares, sky squares, and pink squares. Now, can you tell me, do any of these shapes look like they are not a square? Great job, very well done. None of them look like they are not a square. Because what makes a square a square? The fact that a square has 4 equal sides, and each of these squares have 4 equal sides. Let's look at our last shape. These are circles. They are full circles, empty circles, orange circles, black circles, red circles, circles in circles, and green circles. Many different circles. Can you look at all of them and tell me, do you see one that's not a circle? Do you see one that looks at you and makes you think, I'm not sure if I'm a circle. Are you sure that I'm a circle? No. Why? Because they are different sizes. They are different colors. A circle is a circle, so I guess we don't ever know which way they're pointing. Unless it's more than 2D. But we'll learn about that later. A circle is round. And that is how we know that these are all circles. Now, how can we look at different shapes? For example, triangles, squares, and circles, and decide that they are different? We know that a triangle has 3 sides, a square has 4 equal sides, and a circle is round. Let's find out if you understand this. Color all the triangles green, circles red, and squares orange. This is what you should end up with. Until next time, goodbye!